In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a resume using Google Docs, a versatile and accessible tool for all your document needs. So let's get started. First, we need to visit Google Docs and log into our Google account. If you're not already logged in, simply head over to the Google Docs homepage and enter your credentials to access this valuable resource. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the template gallery. On the Google Docs main page, you will see an option labeled Template Gallery at the top. Clicking on this will open up a variety of templates that Google Docs offers for free, ranging from project proposals to newsletters and, importantly, resumes. Now, take a moment to scroll down to the resume section within the template gallery. Here you'll find an array of styles to choose from, such as serif, modern writer, coral, and spearmint. Pick a design that suits your personality and professional image. This is important because your resume is often the first impression you make to a potential employer. With your template selected, it's time to fill in your details. This is where personalization and accuracy are key. Start at the top with your full name and contact information, ensuring it's easily accessible to the reader. Below that, craft a brief summary or objective, a short introduction about your skills and career goals that provides a snapshot of who you are professionally. Then move on to the experience section, where you'll detail your job titles, the companies you've worked at, the dates of your employment, and your key achievements in those roles. Following this, outline your education background. Include the schools you attended, the degrees you earned, and your graduation dates. Be sure to highlight any honors or distinctions that could set you apart. Next, focus on your skills. Here, include both technical skills pertinent to your field and soft skills that demonstrate your ability to work well with others. Finally, if applicable, list any certifications or awards that could give you an edge. With your information in place, it's time to customize the formatting for the finishing touch. Use bold fonts for headings to improve readability. Stick with professional fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman to maintain a polished look. Aim to keep the layout within one page unless you have extensive experience, in which case 2 pages are acceptable. Once your resume is complete and visually appealing, you might want to share it. To do this, click the share button in the upper right corner. You can enter the email address of the person you wish to share it with, and if needed, adjust the access settings from restricted to anyone with the link. Next, if you need to save and download your resume, head up to the file menu and select download. Choose the format suitable for your needs. A PDF document is generally recommended for job applications due to its non-editable nature, whereas a Microsoft Word document is useful if an employer requests an editable format. And there you have it, a fully customized and shareable resume, all done through Google Docs. I hope this guide has been helpful for you in creating a professional document that effectively showcases your talents and achievements.